Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing WayV's back to school kit for 2021. I've also unboxed NCT 127 and NCT Dreams as well, so I'll link those in the description below if you're interested in watching. But here is WayV's kit for this year. All the packaging is the same except they have their red color. And the back, they have the little like disclaimer translated in more languages. So instead of just the Korean and English, they also added Chinese, which is on top, and Thai, which is really cool. Just a little fun fact. So I purchased Winwin's version of the kit, so I have all of Winwin's items. This is all moved, but I actually really like this tan color that they picked to accent their red. It's really nice. Here is his photo card. He's so handsome. And then his ID photos. His little keychain. I think I still have his from the previous kit in 2019. And then we have his ID card. And on the back, they give you a blank one so that you can add your own photo and add your own details in. So next we have the clear bookmark set, which you get every member for. First we have a group one. These are so much nicer than the ones they previously made. I don't know if anyone would actually use this as a bookmark though. Kun, do you all use this as a bookmark? I feel like they're more of a collectible than bookmark, but they're a little bit too tall compared to a photo card to be stored normally. Winwin. He's wearing glasses here. That's so cute. I wish he was wearing his glasses for his photo card too. Lucas, he's also wearing glasses. He looks super handsome. Oh my gosh. Xiaojun's wearing a beret. That's so pretty. And his cardigan. It's super preppy. Henry. Looks like a prince, as usual. And then we have Yang Yang. Super cute. These are really pretty. Then next we have stickers. So these are Winwin's specific stickers. And then on the back are the group ones that come in every kit. Next we have a folded poster. Oh, WayV looks so cute. I really like this concept. Like their outfits are kind of like a mix in between 127 and Dreams, because some of them kind of have like this sailor outfit going on. And the berets are so nice. So here's the folded poster. You can hang it up and count 100 days towards something. And then we have some numbers for the countdown and their photos too. So cute. This photo of them sitting on each other. Very adorable. Next we have the mini brochure. Kind of reminds me of their Dream launch teaser. Gosh, it's so cute. Xiaojun looks really good in a beret. Oh, adorable. Yang Yangs are like super, this one's so adorable, and then they have such serious shots. And then Winwin's are like mostly serious. Oh, we have unit shots. So cute. That one's my favorite. And then we have Kun, 10, Henry. Oh, his smile, so precious. Single shots. These are really nice. And then we have group shots. Oh, I really like this layout. How cute. And then a bigger version of the picture I liked on the countdown poster. And then last item in the kit are these notebooks. My notebook kind of got a bit damaged on the corner right here. Nothing too bad though. So the front and the back. And this one is just regular wide rule. No photos or anything inside. And then we have this one, which has a monthly layout for scheduling, wide rule, and grid too. So those are all the items in the kit. If you also purchased one of the WayV kits, let me know what member you purchased down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video.